Hello, people. Welcome back to Queent'stv Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. I see you all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this rich hair butter. It's so packed with so many amazing ingredients that's going to promote hair growth, moisture, and volume. So if you've not subscribed yet, hit that notification button as well so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first notified. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you like what you're seeing. So let's go ahead and get our ingredients set. So we have olive oil and we're going to use 1 cup. So we have cup of olive oil, but my olive oil was finished, so I had to add almond oil. Almond oil is also very good for the hair, very good to smoothen the hair, to reduce frizz and so on. So I just added in the almond oil. That's half cup of almond oil. So you basically can use half cup of almond oil or half cup of olive oil, but since my olive oil was finished, I had to just mix both. And then we have coconut oil. Yeah, so I added coconut oil in this oil, which also has amazing properties for the hair. So I basically use 4 tablespoons of coconut oil.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding.
This hair butter is really rich. I really love it like that. But if you actually don't have all what you see here, you can as well use something else, like maybe 2 of these, or just moringa, or just fenugreek. It's still going to come out amazing.
And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might.
So not forgetting my essential oils. They are very good to eradicate smell from concoctions. They're very good to also promote hair growth, or they're also very good to penetrate the hair scalp. So here I'm using ylang ylang and rosemary essential oils, but I have a couple of them here. I also normally use them for my humidifier. Not only do I use my essential oil for my hair body, but I use them also for my humidifier to clear up the room, to make your room have a very nice, refreshing and relaxing smell.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. See you again. See you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to
Hello the people, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and if you've not subscribed yet, hit on the subscription button, hit the notification bell as well, so that each time I upload a new video you will be the first to get notified. See you in my next video. Bye. Stay safe.